party non-stop like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the CFMOTO Grand Launch. Tonight, we are set to unveil some of the most anticipated bikes of the year.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening on a beautiful Monday evening as we launch not just one, not just two, but three fantastic bikes.
Tonight, we are thrilled to have you with us to witness the unveiling of the three very special models that represents the whole new chapter in CFMOTO's journey towards innovation and excellence.
CFMOTO promised us a grand launch. We are going to be able to deliver that promise. Three bikes, pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Please welcome the 800 MTX. Everything you need in an adventure bike is right here. It has arrived in the Philippines and is ready for you.